Just yesterday, I was speaking to a leader in a federal financial agency, and they were very interested in using cloud to offset costs that they've carried for a long time for things like disaster recovery. So their goal is to use cloud as a DR location for systems that fit nicely in the cloud and can run there over time. As opposed to moving all their systems to the cloud right off the bat, they'd rather leverage cloud technologies to lower other costs, which I thought was a really interesting, creative approach. And the challenge with that, of course, is being able to get your data into that cloud environment quickly. So again, it goes back to understanding what the data is and understanding what your requirements are. But to the extent that you're able to understand those questions, when something bad happens and you have the cloud capability and you can spin that up quickly and transport your data there, or maybe it's already there because of how you've configured your DR, you're able to stay up and running very quickly. So cloud DR is something that Veritas is seeing quite a lot of. It came up in this CIO conversation yesterday as well. The other thing that I think we see a lot of are agencies who want to use the cloud as a place to store their backups. So we have a conceptual architecture where we have data tiering. So when you understand your data and you can make sure that your primary storage is pristine and has the data that you really need, and other environments can have data that's important but not necessarily data that you interact with on a routine basis.
Sure.